So you want to read more. You heard all the self-improvement YouTubers, you bought books, you started to read them, but somehow you never really made a habit of it. Well, I have the right device for you to help you with that. If you want to know why and how the Kindle will help you read more, this is the right video for you. In the next 100 seconds, I'm going to tell you all about it and how it helped me become a person that reads every day. So let's jump right in. First off, let's get the basics out of the way. The Kindle Paperwhite is not too expensive at somewhere above 100 euros or dollars, depending on your currency, and is the mid-range model by Amazon. To me, there are three main negatives, so let's start there. First, I don't like the micro USB, and in 2020, it should have a USB-C port. Second, due to the e-ink technology, it can be a little bit sluggish sometimes. You won't notice it while reading, but when you highlight things or search for certain parts in a book, it can sometimes feel very slow. And last but not least, for a reading device, I really would have wanted the backlighting to be adjustable or just a warmer white in general. With so many technologies helping us to prevent blue light in the evening, this device should be able to do that too. Alright, the things I like. Well, the main thing is the convenience of reading. The Kindle is much closer to a smartphone than to a book in terms of how it feels when you hold it, and that makes it a very easy replacement. You wouldn't read a book on the toilet, but you would take your smartphone instead. Well, try replacing it with a Kindle and you'll start reading at least like a few pages every single day. And that is the overall theme here. Since it is closer to a smartphone in handling and much more convenient than a book, you will reach for it in situations where you wouldn't reach for a book normally. It's not the most flashy or shiniest tech device you will ever buy, but it just gets the job done. It feels lightweight, has a nice soft touch surface on the back, and it displays books. And what more would you want?